The latest on the legal problems facing Missouri Governor Eric Greitens. Today, his team went on the offensive.
This at the same time new allegations came out against him. 41 Action News reporter Tom Dempsey live now with today's developments. Tom?
Well, Mike, a day after Governor Eric Greitens, attorneys and members of the media attended jury selection, things remained pretty quiet here at the courthouse in St. Louis. But that didn't stop new developments from coming in across the city and Greitens' attorneys from continuing to fight back.
A day after the dismissal of a felony invasion of privacy charge against Governor Eric Greitens, today attorney Al Watkins described the reaction from the ex-husband of Greitens' mistress.
I don't think he was shocked. I don't think anything would shock him after what he has been through.
The case thrown out after Greitens' attorneys pointed to a lack of evidence and called out St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner for failing to testify. Transcripts obtained by 41 Action News showing a Greitens' attorney describing Gardner's involvement in the case and the significance of her possible testimony during a conversation in the judge's chamber hours before the dismissal came. Watkins now hopes prosecutors refile charges.
One could certainly look at that fact situation and make a case for assault, sexual assault.
Greitens' team released a statement on Tuesday accusing prosecutors of, quote, outrageous misconduct and accusing the lead investigator for the circuit attorney's office of perjury for, quote, lying about methods and evidence collected.
Keep in mind that one of the motivations for doing this is to have an impact on the impeachment proceedings as well as the second felony case. So
law professor John Ammon believes prosecutors will now put a focus on the trial involving accusations Greitens used a donor list from the charity he founded for political purposes.
The defense celebrated yesterday, but they are not done by a long shot.
Uncertainty still ahead for Governor Eric Greitens, and a fight that attorney Al Watkins says will continue.
We're still in the bottom half of the third inning of an extra inning game.
The St. Louis Circuit Attorney's Office released a statement calling out the defense team for their tactics and reaction to today's developments, and also saying no evidence exists of misconduct with the lead investigator in this case. Live in St. Louis, I'm Tom Dempsey, 41 Action News.